Hi Libras, welcome to my channel JK777. This is your reading for the month of July and August. I'm going to do your reading for 2 months. This is for your career and for your love life. So this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You can check your placements, doesn't matter. And guys, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate with most of you but not all of you, okay? So for accurate readings you can always get in touch with me. My name is Jyoti. My website address is jyotitarotreadings.com. You can book your personal readings with me. So let's see Libra, I have not yet shuffled the cards. Let's see what's coming. I'll start with your career first. So let's see what's coming up for you in the next 2 months. Let's see what's coming up for you in the next 2 months. Okay, movement. I think there is some, I do feel that you are going to travel Libra. So I do see that could be that you may have to travel somewhere outside for work. So I do see travel and cards for you. Let's see something more. This is for career. What's coming up for Libra in the next 2 months? Could be you may have to travel for work, something like this, or you may get a job or an offer which requires you to travel. That could be the thing. Let's see what's coming up for you Libra. Okay, we have the 5 of Swords. Okay, then again we have a Page of Swords. Libras, as far as your career is concerned, it's a difficult situation. You are waiting for offers, you are waiting for something, some movement. It's like you are not getting what you want. It could be the salary that you have been expecting, maybe you have not been getting enough. Could be that there is a, you are not being paid enough Libra. Okay, so definitely there is, you feel that you are not being, it's like you are on a lookout. We have a Page of Swords with a 5 of Swords, so definitely you are on a lookout for a new offer. It could be a job offer. You are keeping tabs so that you can get a good job offer or a good business proposal. You're looking for more avenues, you're exploring things. Okay, could be that you are in talking terms with people so that you get a good opportunity, you get a good offer. So yes, you are on a lookout. So let's see what's coming up for you. Is there something that's coming up for Libra in the next 2 months? Please give me a message. Yes, we have the King of Cups and Justice. Libra, definitely there is something coming towards you, but it will not be as exciting or as you want. Okay, so you may have to compromise a bit. So definitely there is a business proposal that's coming your way. So there is somebody, this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Libra. Yeah, this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Libra who may offer you a proposal, and this proposal is not going to be too exciting. It will be fair enough for you, but it won't be too exciting. You won't be that happy with this proposal, but at least you will be like, okay, good, at least I got something is better than nothing, right? So this is how your energy is going to be in the next 2 months as far as your career is concerned. You may get a job, but not as you needed. You may get a proposal but not up to your expectations. So something you may have to compromise a bit Libra. This is temporary. As I said, this could be because of the situation outside, corona, etc, etc. So this is just going to be temporary. You may have to compromise for 2-3 months. So okay, this, oh my god, wow, we have the Ace of Cups. Didn't I just say you just have to see, for 2-3 months you may have to compromise Libra, but as soon as these 2-3 months are over, that's when you are going to get this Ace of Cups. Post 2-3 months, so for 2-3 months you will have to accept the pay cut that you have been receiving at your job front, you may have to accept. If you are already unemployed, you are looking for some opportunities, you may have to wait a bit more for 1-2 months, but post 2-3 months there is a very strong offer that's coming your way. Okay, that is after 2-3 months. So that is going to be as per your requirement, but this is going to take time. So at least for 2-3 months you may have to wait. Okay, so you may have to compromise for the next 2-3 months, but as soon as these 2-3 months are done, you are going to get the right job offer, you're going to get the right proposal that you actually want. It's like your whatever you have been wishing is going to come true, but you'll have to wait, Libra. Okay, so I do see that we have this wait period, and could be that you will have to explore, Libra. You'll have to go out, you'll have to talk to people. If you're looking for a job, you'll have to talk to your friends, you'll have to build that communication with people around you, you'll have to meet people so that you get this offer. Okay, so you'll have to work hard, Libra, as far as your career is concerned. But I definitely see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces coming your way who may offer you this proposal. So this is going to be next 2 months, it's going to be fair enough. Like you may have to compromise next 2 months, but after 2-3 months I do see some very good opportunity coming your way. Not that you won't make enough in the next 2 months, you will, but you may have to sacrifice a bit or compromise a bit, something like this. Okay, but definitely there's something solid coming your way as far as your career is concerned, because we have the Ace of Cups. So something that you have been wishing for and you're going to get that. So let's see, what do we have for Libra? Libra, let's see, what do we have? Yes, I think there's somebody around you, Libra, who may need your help. Could be that you are supporting people around you, could be that you have your family responsibilities. We have a 6 of Pentacles, so definitely there is an offer coming your way. Okay, there is some job offer that you are going to get very soon. It could be a business proposal, something that's coming your way. And for some of you, I feel that you are at a very high designation and there's somebody else in your company, or if you are in a organization, you are the boss, you may have a team of your own, so there is somebody around you who needs your help, Libra. So this is if you are the boss in an organization, something like this. Yes, I do see conflict. And then we have the 3 of Wands, then we have the Knight of Wands. So yes, there is tough competition. If you're looking for this Ace of Cups, if you're looking for this offer that's coming your way, yeah, there's some tough competition that you may have to go through at your workplace or in your business, whatever you have been doing. I do see there is some tough competition, and that may stress you a bit. But as I said, you will have to compromise, Libra, for 2 months. This is a phase where you will have to compromise. Whatever you have been getting, you may get little, and things are going to be fair. So as I said, you may have to accept a job offer where you may be paid lesser than what you were paid before, or you may not get your salary on time, or you may not get your payments on time, whatever it is. But I do see that the situation is a bit stressful, or you can say the situation is a bit tight for the next 2 months. The right offer that you really want is coming your way in 2-3 months. So for the next 1-2 months, you may have to compromise a bit on your salary, on the payments that you have been getting, whatever, because I do see, but you know, universe is going to be fair towards you. You see, we have Libra, I talk about you, and we have Justice here. So we have your card, so universe is going to be fair for you. Now, as I said, there is an offer, so could be you may get a proposal from an Aries, Leo, Sag, because we have Wands energy too. There could be an Aries, Leo, Saggy who will offer you a job offer, or you know, who will offer you a business proposal, something. But I do see something solid coming your way. But for the next 2 months, yes, definitely you will have to compromise. It is just for 2 to 3 months. Okay, you will have to just wait, hold on, and maybe as I told you, there's somebody around you who needs your help. And if this is you, I would request you not to hesitate. Whoever you want help from, please ask help. If this is you, then I would request you to please ask for help. If you need some help, don't hesitate. There are people around you who are willing to help you, Libra. Okay, so just ask for help if this is you. And if you are an entrepreneur or you are the boss, you have a team of your own, you are in a comfortable situation, I would request you, there is somebody around you who needs help, Libra, so you'll have to help them. And definitely I do see travel in cards for some of you. You may travel, or there is yes, I do see that you may travel to a different location. This is for work. I do see travel and cards for you. Now let's see what advice do we have for Libra as far as your career is. Okay, this just popped up. Walking away. See, definitely there is something that you will have to walk away from, Libra. It could be a job that is not paying you enough, or walking away from all the negativity around you. You'll have to walk away from something that's not serving you, Libra. Okay, the time has come where you may have to, if you feel that the job is not right for you, and if you are not happy in the existing job, I do feel that you are going through some politics in your career. There is someone in your life, Libra. It could be at your workplace. That person is not so trustworthy. I think this person is quite negative. There's somebody at your workplace who is quite negative. So if you feel that you are in an atmosphere which is not serving you, or this politics that's going around, I do see some politics. There's somebody who is doing something and that's hurting you. So if that's the case, Libra, it's time for you to walk away from such people, or a job that's not serving you, or something that's not serving you. It's time to release that thing. It could be a job, it could be a person in your organization, or it could be a boss that you're not happy with, a department that you're not happy in a department. If you're not happy in an existing department, you can always tell your boss to shift you to a different department. Whatever it is, you look for what you really want. Okay, and this is coming for you. But yes, see, you may have to wait for 2 months, Libra. So next 1 or 2 months is going to be bit stressful as in, it's not really stressful, it's just that you may not get what you exactly want. So there is a wait period. See, we have the 3 of Wands, so there is a wait period. For some of you, I do get a message that you may have to leave something and move forward. So this is also telling you the same thing. There's something that you have to walk away from. It could be a job that's not serving you, a business that's not giving you enough profit. It could be a team or whatever, I don't know. There's something that you'll have to walk away from, Libra. Okay, let me see one more card, one final message for Libra as far as okay, I got this. See, contract and journey. See, I've got this again. So we have got the contract and we have got the journey. So I do see 110%, Libra, you are going to travel. There is a contract coming your way, and it could be from some other country. So you just look at this. Just see this. This is a 6 of Swords. This says that you are going to travel. This is travel and this is a contract. So there is a contract you are going to get. So maybe you may have to relocate to a different place. If that's the case, don't hesitate. Okay, so even if you may have to relocate, maybe you are going to be offered a job which is in a different country, different state, or a different place, something away from you, whatever it is, just accept it. Don't say no to it. So you may have to travel, and it could be a different country, different state, whatever it is, whatever comes your way, there's something solid, there's something strong coming your way, Libra. So whatever it is, just accept it and move forward. Don't say no to it, because this has been sent for you, and this offer that's coming your way is going to be sent at the divine timing. So just wait. There is this wait period. for you. This is just telling you to have faith and just wait for a while, because things are very difficult. So you may have to compromise for these 2 months, but after this, maybe post 2-3 months, I think things will start opening up for you. After 2-3 months, there will be so many opportunities that will start coming your way, but I feel that this is going to take some time. Okay, so I do see that at least for 2 months things are going to be stressful. Fine. Okay, so that is it, Libra. I really hope you enjoyed this career reading. I'll move forward to your love reading. So let's see, what do we have in store for you, Libra? So let's see, Libra, what do we have for you as far as your love life is concerned. This is for the next 2 months, June and July. Let's see, what do we have for you, Libra? No movement. You feel stuck, Libra. There's no movement in your life as far as your love life is concerned. Things are stuck. Look at this, the Hangman. There's no movement here. Okay, this is... I'm going to clarify each one of these cards. So give me some time. We have the Queen of Wands. So let's see what's there for Libra. Okay. Now this is the Chariot. See, we have the Queen of Wands in reverse. So definitely I feel there is some passion missing in your life, Libra. I do see that there is this passion missing in your life. Some spark that's not there in your life at this moment. You feel stuck. Oh my God, this is the Lovers here. So definitely this is connected to your loved ones, the one you really love. So yeah, I do see there's no movement here. Let me see. Okay, so we have the Five of Swords. I don't know, Libra, I feel that there's someone, there is no communication, and I feel that there could be some distance between both of you. Yeah, I do feel that there's something, things are not clear. There's no communication between you and your partner, and even if it is, then it's too less. You feel hurt. I don't know, I see you coming from a place of hurt. So definitely I do see that you are, you are stuck somewhere. You don't know what to do. You don't know how to move forward, and you have just surrendered. You've just surrendered to the universe. And yes, I do see that there is some, I do feel that maybe physically you are staying away from each other, and even if you're staying together, there's no passion. So yes, and this person that you've been dealing with, this person is not paying attention to you at this moment. Okay, I don't know. And what is it that they want? They want you. Okay, this card just popped up. This person is being, I don't know, Libra, I feel that this person is focused. Their focus is something else. Their focus is career. I'll clarify this again, but I do feel that this person is focused on their career at this moment. And you feel left out or something like this. So I'm going to clarify this again for you. As of now, let me pull 2 more cards. Let's see what is... Libra, I feel that this person wants you to take a decision. There is some decision that's pending. from your end. Could be that if you are in a committed relationship, maybe there are two people in your life, and yeah, I do see that there could be two people involved. It could be in your life and even their life, doesn't matter. But yes, there is some decision, lack of clarity, the star in reverse. This goes to show that you're still hopeful about the situation. Of course, you are now doubting this entire situation, but you're still hopeful. You're still hopeful. Okay, I've got two cards here. We have the Five of Wands and the Six of Swords in reverse. Both are in reverse. Libra, your person, they don't want any conflict, any drama. I do see that there are some arguments that's happening between you two, or some conflict between you two. It could be a conflict in your mind, ego issues, or something. This could be an ego issue. This could be a conflict that's happening between you two. There's something is coming your way, Libra. So we have the Six of Swords, so could be a long distance relationship for you. This person wants to start a life with you. We have the Lovers, so this is a strong relationship, there's no doubt about it. But there is something, there's something. So I'm going to clarify it now. What is this thing? As I said, for some of you, could be that you both are already committed, and could be that you may have to decide between two people, Libra. Your person feels that it's a very divine connection between you both, but then there's something that's not moving forward. The situation of being stuck, no movement forward, and yeah, there's lack of passion in this relationship. Like you really desire to be with this person, and that's not happening. This is your energy, and this person, maybe this person feels that, Libra, that you are not sure about something. Could be that you are, I don't know, I'm getting it again. Maybe you are dealing with a Cancer, a Leo, a Gemini, an Aquarius. See, this is your person's energy, Libra. So definitely your person feels that you are already stuck with two people. They feel that you're stuck with two people. You have to take a decision, but you are holding on. Look at this. I don't know whose energy is this, but one of you are not sure about each other. It could be you not sure about this person, or this person not sure about you. So maybe this person is stuck with somebody else, or you are stuck with somebody else. It could be vice versa too, because it's a general reading. But definitely there is something that's coming your way. Okay, but the overall energy is the Lovers. So definitely this is a strong connection which is moving forward. I don't see any negativity, but yes, I do see that somebody is being ignored. It could be you who is feeling ignored in this relationship, or this person who feels ignored. I don't know. Okay, so let me clarify, Libra. I'm going to clarify the Hangman first. Let me clarify the Hangman. Okay. Oh my God. Look at this. Didn't I just say that this person feels that you are stuck with two people? Libra, your partner feels that you're stuck with two people. You will have to take a decision. Until unless you take the decision, this person is not going to move forward towards you. Okay, now that is one. And could be that you are stuck with, maybe your focus is work. I don't know what it is. It could be two people, it could be work. Maybe you are, yeah, as far as I see, it is two people. So maybe you are stuck between two people, Libra. So you may have to, take a decision. Otherwise, this person is not coming towards you for sure, because we have the Ace of Cups in reverse. Now, the next is, we have the Five of Swords again. Look at this, Libra. Is it a joke? I'm getting the same cards. and this is your energy. So you definitely feel, I don't know, I feel that you're not happy, Libra. You feel stuck, you feel hurt, and you are trying to divert your mind here, in these pentacles. So you're focusing on work. There is some, as I said, distance could be an issue, lack of passion. Distance could be an issue, lack of passion could be an issue. So let's clarify more. Let's see your person's energy, Libra. Let's see your person's energy. We have the Queen of Wands. Let me clarify. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. Okay, I got this. We have the Sun. This person really sees you as their happiness, they feel very happy being with you, Libra. So there is no way that this person doesn't love you. Whoever you are involved with, this person does love you. They view you as someone who gives them happiness. There's some decision that is pending. It could be from their end or it could be from your end. I don't know. It's a general reading. So, but yes, there is something. Someone has to take a decision to move forward in this relationship. Let's see. How do they feel for you, Libra? Okay, we have the Leo card. I did forget this. We have the Sun here and we have two Leos. We have Cancer, Gemini, Aquarius. So could be that you are dealing with the Leo. We have two Leos. We have two Geminis, two Cancer, and Aquarius. So Cancer, Leo is very prominent in this reading. Cancer and Leo. So let me see, Libra. What does your person feel for you? What are the energies right now for you? What are the energies for you right now? We'll clarify that. We'll clarify their energy. Okay. See, we have the Eight of Pentacles again. This person at this moment is focused on work, Libra. Can you imagine? We have got the same card again. I'm getting the same card again and again for you. Look at this. This person is focused on work, your person that you have been dealing with. So their focus is work. Maybe they are trying to distract themselves. I don't know. Let's see their action towards you, the next action towards you. Let's see what are the actions. Okay, so we have got two cards here. This person wants to be fair towards you. So whatever decision this person is going to take, Libra, they are trying hard to be fair towards you. There are some decisions that are pending. Otherwise, I don't see any negativity in this reading, Libra. So as far as your love life is concerned, I do see slow movement, feeling stuck, and that is still going to be there. I do feel that this person is trying hard. We have got the Justice. I'm getting this is your card, Libra, again. So this person is trying hard to be fair towards you, and they are trying their best to communicate with you, to be in touch, to talk to you. They are trying hard to work on this relationship. Could be that this person is focused on work at this moment. I do see that this person's priority is work at this moment. I don't know why I do feel that because we have got it twice. This person is focused on work definitely, but this person is definitely going to take movement towards you. And if you both have not been speaking to each other, this person is going to talk to you. Maybe this person is going to come and meet you. I do see that. Okay, it could be you going and meeting this person, or this person could be coming and meeting you. So yes, I do see hope in this relationship. I see this, I do see this relationship as a very strong relationship, Libra. Okay, yes, somebody in this relationship is confused. It could be you or this person, it could be anybody. Let me clarify who is confused. Is it you or the other person? So let me see who is confused in this relationship. There's somebody in this relationship who is confused. It could be you, it could be this person, not too sure about this relationship, going with the flow, doesn't know where it is going to lead, but yet being positive and hopeful about this situation, being hopeful about this relationship, but still not too happy with something. So let's see who is this person. Is it you, Libra, or your person? Okay, I'm getting this. Yes, we have the Eight of Cups here. This is here. Let me get one more card for clarity. Let me get one more card for clarity. Okay, so this just popped up. This is the World. Libra, I feel that somehow you are not happy in the situation. There's something in you that tells you to move away from this connection. Yes, I do feel that. And however, this person that you have been dealing with, they are in two minds. Okay, because I do see that this person wants to start a new life with you, but this person is not willing to make movement till you decide. So there is a decision that is pending, either from your end, their end. It could be both ends, I don't know. But yes, I do feel you are not too happy in this relationship. Some of you, okay, this could not be, this is not for all. Some of you, I feel that you're not happy in this relationship. Now this just popped up. This person is coming towards you, Libra. This person is coming towards you because I do see this person is trying hard to work on this, but there is something that's holding them, because maybe this person is stuck with two people, or maybe their focus is work at this moment. Could be anything, but I do see that this person is coming and this person is going to work hard to be with you. I do see some positive movement that's happening in your love life. So things are going to change. Definitely things are going to change. This is a positive movement that I see here. Sometimes these thoughts do come. It could be in your mind or in your person's mind to walk out of this relationship. But there's this strong connection that's holding you both together. This is the Lovers here. So it's a divine connection. It's a strong connection. And I think you both are going to work on this, because I do feel this person is coming towards you. So yeah, things are going to be fair for you. I do see communication. I do see this person coming to meet you. We have got this confirmation twice here. And if I do feel that, I don't know why I feel that, Libra, you are going through some arguments and some conflict with your partner. Could be that your person is ignoring you, or you may have some verbal communication which could be negative. I do see that this is your thing. So definitely for some of you, I feel that your partner does hurt you, or they don't pay attention to you, or they tell you something which really is painful for you. You cannot take it, something like this. And so let's see the final outcome for Libra. Let's see how will your love life be in the next 2 months. Let's see the final outcome for this relationship. 9 of Pentacles. Wow. So I feel that you are going to be very focused on this relationship. You both, I feel that you both are going to work on this relationship. So I don't see any negativity as of now, because all the cards are positive. The messages that I have been getting is all positive, because you both are working on this and you both are in a phase. Some confusion is there for sure at both the ends. Could be your end, could be their end, or even at both the ends, I don't know. But I think things are moving forward and you both are trying hard, working hard on this. So I feel that we have the world here, so let the divine take the decision. It's all a happy reading for you, Libra. As far as your love life is concerned, I do feel that the cards are very positive. Barring some conflict, I don't see major issues in this reading. Okay, Libra. So let's see what advice do we have for you in the next 2 months. Let's see what advice do we have for Libra for the next 2 months. Let's see what advice do we have for Libra for the next 2 months. Okay, I got 2 cards. The first card is first chakra, Archangel Michael, and the second is action. Certainly, Libra, didn't I just say there is something, I don't know, I think I got this message a month back also. So there is some action that you have to take. Some things you have to move forward from. Some things. There are some actions that have been pending at your end. Didn't I just say some of you are stuck with 2 people? So maybe it's time for you to decide and take some action. So yeah, I do see that's the only message I'm having here for you. Let me pull out one more card. Okay, I got this card. I'll pull out both. Victory and yin yang. Oh my god, what lovely cards do I have for you, Libra. Look at this. You and your partner, you both complete each other. I've got the yin and yang. Okay, now this card comes when you both, didn't I just say, look at this, the lovers. So you both complete each other. That is why this is a strong connection. That is why I am not getting any negative cards in this reading. It's a very divine and very strong connection. And victory, so definitely you are going to be victorious. Okay, I do see victory for you. Whatever you have been wishing for or whatever you want, Libra, is coming your way. Okay, so some of you, it may take 2 months, it may take 3 months, but I do see victory in this reading. I do see victory in your relationship. I don't know who is this message for, but I do see your relationship is very strong and this is heading towards victory. We have the yin and yang. What else do we expect more? Okay, so it's a very strong divine connection. As I said, there are some actions. There's some actions that has to be taken at your end. It's a general reading, so there are some actions you may have to take in order to move forward with this person. We have the first chakra, Archangel Michael. This card speaks about, we have the first chakra, so you're thinking a lot, thinking, but there's no movement. You're not taking any action. So that's the message over here. And if you're worried about this, then know that this is a very strong divine connection. We have a yin yang and victory, so you are heading towards victory. Okay, so that is it, Libra, for you. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And guys, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It may resonate with some of you, not resonate with the others of you. So if you want accurate readings, you can always get in touch with me. My website address is mentioned here, jyotitarotreadings.com. You can book your readings. Okay, so that is it for you, Libra. I really hope you enjoyed my readings. You take care. Bye.